Hey guys, this is an interesting unboxing. This is a product by Vitesy called Natede. It's a Kickstarter that I funded back in June of 2018. It was originally going to ship in December of 2018, and due to various logistical challenges, as can happen with Kickstarters, this did not ship until, I want to say, June, July, or August of this year, and I haven't gotten around to unboxing it. So December of 2018 to sometime in 2022, or wow, it's not 2022 right now, it's 2020. This year feels like it's gone on forever, doesn't it? But I do forget a little bit about this product, a little bit. I did some quick research. This is a plant-powered air filter. It's more than an air purifier, so it is an air purifier. But the concept of this air purifier is that they use a plant in the center of it and a washable ceramic filter, so there's no filters that you have to replace. I'm going to take a moment and pull this out. There we go, it's out of the box. So if I turn this on its side, the pronunciation of this, Natede, I'm not quite sure, but you can go to their URL down here if you would like. It is a natural air purifier. I had paid for the premium edition when I purchased this. It was in euros. So yeah, this is the Natede Premium Color Matte Black. I forgot the color that I chose since it's been so long. So this is a matte black one. It says designed and made in Italy with no glues but tons of love. Reading through their website, they talk about how they attempted to build this with the least amount of environmental impact that they could. And let's take a look at what's in the box. So it says pull it out to be amazed right at the top here, and it says your experience starts here. I'm going to skip pronouncing that. So they have a little thank you in here. Dear backer, your Natede is here, and we want to thank you so much for wonderful support that you gave us. You followed our journey from the beginning. From the very beginning, you are the most important part of our adventure because you are the first one that believed in us. Everything was possible only thanks to you. You supported our project with love and enjoyment. Creating a new product involves a lot of hard work, and to see our idea coming to life is an outstanding emotion. We lived this adventure with you, sharing every goal achieved and the difficulties in creating a unique and advanced product as well. With your feedback, your love, and support, we did it. So one of the things to mention, when I back Kickstarters, I do take the look of it is hopefully investing in a company that's going to come out with an amazing product, but the realization that it may never ship, or if it does ship, it may be quite delayed. Here is a little postcard that says, with the Eden reforestation projects and your support, there are now 60,000 new trees in the world. Since 2016, we are fighting against deforestation and air pollution to leave a significant mark on our planet. So they partnered with the Eden Project and planted 2 trees for every air purifier that they sold. They have a get started guide here. Talks about what's in the box, how to check the rope, plug it in, fill it with clay. This is really cool. It has clay to help separate your soil from the plant. It's self-watering. It has a ceramic filter that is washable, so you just take that out and wash it every now and again. It has a basin water tank. It has a CO2 monitor and a particulate filter, and it also has a particulate sensor, so it will tell you what the particulate levels, I think 2.5 microns is what they measure. Little user manual here in Italian, since they are an Italian company, followed by English, Dutch, Spanish, French, and then some certification information on there. So little user manual for me later. Continuing the unboxing, looks like there's a rope. When I say rope, this is the cord. So it's a braided cord there. It tells me to only use this with our product, this product I just purchased. Nothing there, nothing else there. I don't think there's anything else in the box there. Oh, there was something small. The US power adapter. So I can go ahead and connect this and use that here in the US. I do remember they had issues with the ceramics. So I had originally ordered a ceramic Natede, and they were going to handcraft it, and I think that ran into a lot of different production issues. So I think they set their sights too high there. So I do have a eco-conscious plastic, I believe is what they're saying nowadays. So that's what this is made out of. It has a little water level sensor here, so it tells you if you're good or if it needs to refill the water tank. There's a rope in there. I believe that's used for measuring the water level. This is definitely a ceramic filter. That is crazy. All the filters I've ever felt are always, some sort of, I don't know, I don't want to say they're fiberglass, but they're squishy and everything. This is, solid. It sounds like glass. That's really cool, actually. So this is what captures a lot of the particulates, and you're supposed to just rinse this off every now and again. It has a built-in fan at the bottom, which encourages airflow through it. It passes through the particulate filter, passes through the clay, and then, of course, the soil. But the whole idea is that it's encouraging airflow through the root system of the plant that you plant in here. Therefore, encouraging the plant to actually clean more of the air in your house and giving it a little boost to help out. Let's go ahead and get this cardboard out of the way. Nope, this is the water basin. And that slides out of the middle. That was unexpected. So that's the cardboard that was right inside there. The bottom of this says that this was the Kickstarter edition, and this was number 3201 of 4520 that were backed on Kickstarter. So it does have that nice little bit on there. It's carved out nicely in the wood, so I can plug it in and then the cord will run out of the back here. Let's take a look at what that's going to look like. So I have undone the cord, and I love it when they think about how the cord is going to route out of the product. So this gives it a nice little spot to rest, and then the cord is coming very nicely out the back there. So I think that that's a really nice design with that. And if I just piece this back together real quick here, and put your clay in there. Obviously the filter will go inside of it. Don't want that to drop. But I do want to try to get us a side shot of this real quick, or the front shot. So that's the front of the Natede and the bottom. And yeah, so that's the unboxing of this guy. Of course, I do have to set it up, put a plant in it. On their website, they have various plant recommendations. I believe I saw that some are cat safe. We have cats. One of the problems with cats is they love eating plants. So I want to make sure that they don't get access to this plant, or that I put a plant that won't cause them any bad reactions. And of course, it cleans the air for us. I did want to mention real quick here that this ceramic filter is covered with titanium dioxide, and it's intended to last forever. They just recommend that you rinse it with water once a month. It works in conjunction with some UV lights inside of here to kill bacteria and viruses. So it does actually kill bacteria and viruses. And then as the premium edition, originally this was supposed to come in ceramic, but the whole thing was supposed to be ceramic. They obviously had some issues with that. It is now made 100% from recycled plastic. No glues are made used in the construction, so everything sort of pieces together exactly where it is. So it can be deconstructed at its end of life and recycled easily. As the premium edition has a CO2 monitor built into it, whereas the standard editions did not have a CO2 monitor. I said earlier that it does 2 trees. They're actually planting 10 trees for every one of these that are purchased. So some mangrove trees in a sustainable forest initiative. Thank you guys so much. Really hope you enjoyed this unboxing. Cheers.